you can see that our market did exactly what we predicted it to do, right? For us, we said it right. For the past 2 days, we've been predicting what a bearish move by Euro GBP, and markets did exactly that. So, if you did not watch the analysis we did, if you've not watched it, you can go back to the channel to go and watch it to confirm. You can see that 90% of our analysis on Euro GBP or any other pair absolutely correct. So this is one of the reasons why those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you are not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you will not miss out on any single update we are going to be dropping for you guys. You will find the link to the Telegram channel comment section. Now let's see what we are going to be expecting for the day on our Euro GBP. Let's start with our trend first thing first. If you want to know what market is doing, you can see that we are in a bearish move, we are in a downtrend. Why are we in a downtrend move? What we are going to be explaining right now. So this is the first impulsive move that market did give us, which is the first impulsive move, which is the low, right? After the impulsive move, which is the low, market was able to give us a corrective phase, which is the lower high, right? Market then give us another impulsive move, which is the low again, and here comes the corrective phase, which is the lower high. Then markets they give us a new impulsive move, which is also the low, right? You can see that as it is giving us the impulsive move, taking out the previous low. Now this is the corrective phase that came to form a lower equal lower high. It formed an equal lower high. Now an impulsive move is currently playing out. So this is to tell you that we will still continue that bearish move on Euro GBP till it is able to take out this low, thereby forming lower low form. So this is to tell you that bearish move still what we will be expecting on Euro GBP. We will continue that bearish move to take out this low and more. So more movement to the downside is what we'll be expecting on Euro GBP. If in case there's going to be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I do the updates and I'll make sure I let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe in order for you to miss out on your updates. Like and share, and also follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.